Boy, crazy the motherfucker in the back seat, man. I can't even get no footage out of him talking shit. We're in Comuna 13 in Medellin, you know, blue collar neighborhood. People are very friendly, man. Everybody's speaking. Very nice. About to take these escalators up. Check out some artwork or whatever that's recommended by people at Sweet Georgia Cafe. That's what I want to see, some art, man. I want to see some real shit, man. I'm tired of seeing fake shit. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at the art, man. That's nice. See, I want to see some. I'm playing with my backpack on. Some real Medellin culture, man. Colorful, blue collar. Young man over here trying to make us play soccer with him, but we cool. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? What's up, man? What's your name? ¿Cómo se llama?
Sebastián.
Sebastián. Carlos.
Carlos.
Jason. Jason.
Diego.
Jason Diego. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. He like Kobe, boy. The energy is infectious everywhere we go.
Show us something good. Hey, look at them.
I love going where the locals go, man. I love going where the locals go. See how they living, man. All the art and color and expression. I'm okay with it. It's that real shit. The shit you only can get at Profoundtravelz. I'm about to get me a Comuna shirt. Back to the US? Can't. Bro, I got my hands on some real life coca leaves. Wow. Not the cocaine yet, but the coca leaves. Y'all see that? What the? Man, Diego and Sebastian, tat it up, man. Diego 15, 15, and 13 is Daniel. Yeah. What's up, Queen? Look at that. Oh, let me get a view. Comuna 13, Medellin. Beautiful, man. Huh? Oh, watch out, y'all. Let me get some of that view. I'll be damned. Can I get some of that view real quick? At the top of Comuna 13, man, we get the district story of Medellin, drama of the armed conflict, man. You learn about that narco stuff, corruption. You got the coffee, got the honey, everything. Nice little vendor. If we lived here, we'd be straight.
Yo, we all got a bustle. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go.
Bang.
Yeah. Already.
Yeah.
Check it out.
We from LA. So we're going right, they both in that exhibit, right? They about to spill that exhibit.
Check it out, G.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Así como una circin. Laker, de Ángeles, diga lo que diga porque estamos por acá, ya tú sabes que le meto aquí, no existe maldad, no hay nada de violencia, tú sabes que el freestyle solamente complementas, everybody come on, my crowd, tú sabes que como siempre, improvisado, no importa lo que diga porque no nos cesará cuando grite Comuna que 13 yo quiero escuchar. Comuna, 13, Comuna, 13. Que se va y viene y por aquí se me mantienen. Comuna,
13.
Comuna,
13.
de parte del blanco mi gente eso va a morder.
There's our driver. Watch his picture. Hey man, this our boy. I'm hot in Dubai, man. He's our driver. He's just showing us around. Good, nice guy, man. Family guy. I think he charged like $9 US an hour. Is well worth it than getting an Uber or taxi. Very reliable, very convenient, man. We love it, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, yo, we work in Medellin.
Medellin.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome, Medellin. There go Diego. Right here, man. Our tour guide showing us around, man. Yeah. We good. Over here, Crip walking earlier. Now he doing this little move. Man, we out here on the court interrupting their game. Yeah, let's go get it. Let's get it. Yeah.
They got a basketball?
Yeah, we can go. Hopping on the train station, man. I think we're about to take the little cables up to the top. I don't know exactly where we're going yet, but we're going. You know, walking through the whole town. Have me some coffee, get a little energy. So we're gonna try to hop on those cables over there. Go to the top of the mountain, man, see the whole city or whatnot. But we hopping on.
Go ahead. You missing one?
What's one, the red or the black? Nothing but beautiful women out here. We can't help it. We men, we like to look at beautiful women. It just is what it is. It's nature, right?
Exactly. Oh, no far, this woman.
I tell you, you are the black sheep.
Yes, he is the black sheep.
Only thing in one.
Talking about.
Ready?
Nigga, no the fuck I'm not. Y'all niggas crazy.
Carlos.
We made it to the top of the hill. La Avadora, what he called it. I'll try to get the subtitles best I can when I edit. I don't speak Spanish yet, so I can't remember all this. We have to go up here, let the drone off away from the cables, get some footage of the city. Montanico's Bistro Cafe. Next step on the food list before I get a nap in the shower, man. I'm tired. We've been out walking around all day. Let's go. Maracuya is my favorite sweet drink, man. It used to be mango, but everywhere I go, I try it. And this is probably one of the best ones I have for Saturday that we're here about to eat. It's sweet and tangy. Wow. The salmon burger with the caramelized onions and this green sauce. Let's see how the salad tastes first before I get into all that. It's like pasta and lettuce and the salmon is so fresh. Good. Maracuya. Hold on. Yeah, what is your name, Chef?
My name is Amir.
Amir.
Amir Pedrosa.
Jason Profoundtravelz. How long? What's the name of this restaurant? How long has it been open?
We own here by 4 years.
4 years.
4 years, yeah.
So what part of town is it in Medellin?
In the downtown of Medellin.
Oh, downtown, about 58th Street or whatever.
Yeah.
Tell you, man, this salad is good. I'm about to bite into this burger, man. It's so
This
colorful.
burger is very good.
Yeah, let me do that real quick, man. I got you right here. You know?
Take care. How would you like it?
It's so
good.
juicy and tender.
Yeah.
The
That's
onions.
the idea.
This is.
Está rico.
This is
You
good.
love it.
Hey, I recommend this spot, man. Like this spot.
Fever Tree,
Whoa.
the Fever Tree is one
Like,
of the
$20
best,
together for this plate, man. Like,
gingers of the
highly recommended.
Oh.
got to. Food stop recommended by the driver. Lo Esquito Restaurante. This is a seafood restaurant, so we about to see what it's about. Profoundtravelz, day 3. Lo Esquito. That's the men's room. I'll show y'all the menu a little bit, man, what they got. I seen some fish when I walked in. I was like, ooh, wee. Now we at Lo Esquito. I don't really know seafood in Spanish that well, but like this soup got like a plantain in it and some fish, and it's like, I don't know what the yellow stuff is, but it's so simple and it's so flavorful, especially with the lemons. I forgot what those were called, but you guys remember that from the Panama video. But I'm telling you, man, like this is good. The driver highly recommended this place, so you know we're gonna eat up. I'm gonna send pictures of more of the food as it come along. I just tried the shrimp dish. We got more food. So my boy Devon, here's my fish. I don't know what it was. I had to walk up to another customer and have her point it out for me. But man, like it's amazing, man. Like the food selection here in Colombia is way more than people like let it off to be about being bland. I guess traditional Colombian food is more bland. No lemon on it, no hot sauce yet. I'm just gonna try it just like that. See how it is. Let's go for it. All right. Man, this fish so good. As you would say, it's effing delicious, though, Bon. It is so tasty. Like this sauce and the meat of the fish. I can't even describe it. Like I don't even know what this is. This yellow stuff. You get the little herbs sprinkled around the plate. This is amazing, man. What's the name? And how long it's been here?
20 years.
20 years. Wow. Tell her thank you that the food was amazing here. It was just delicious. My favorite place so far.
Maestro de University of
It's honored to go to this place to eat.
Yes, and I'll be back before we leave.
He say we might ask him for Lourdes.
For what?
Lourdes.
Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes. Got you. See. We'll do. Oh, okay. We'll do.
The next time, we need a very good presentation. And
what an amazing meal, man. The owners and the staff here, they were so nice, so gracious, so hospitable, man. Best restaurant we've been to so far. Lo Esquito restaurant, seafood. Man,